So anyways, I got Heather with me now. There we go. I was telling them they might see this thing called a volcano in the vlog.
You're gonna watch the game. I was just wondering.
I'm watching the game.
Are we unsociable?
I have to wait.
Zombie!
Zombie! Zombie! Zombie! I love you! Fucking A! Honey! Mwah! Mwah. I don't know what I vlogged today so far.
Drinking on water now.
I don't know what I vlogged today so far. But it's been a good day. We barbecued the hell out of everything. Barbecued the hell out of everything. Don't you know what the hell and everything?
God.
Who's that? I think Heather wants to turn off the lights. What's up, people of the YouTube, of the internet, of the World Wide Web? What are you guys doing? Jericho talking shit, sleepy eye. Look, I got a shirt on though. Fucking what's up? Fucking that's the greatest movie in the world. Heather still hasn't made it through it. Heather's not seen the Goonies all the way through. Watched the Burbs, didn't see the Goonies. Excited for Breaking Bad.
Yeah, I like to say that.
Breaking Bad.
Oh, God!